guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Confetti collections. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my confetti collections just arrived and I'm so dying to see what's in here, as I've seen other people have thumbnails saying the best one yet, and I haven't watched the video because I want to be surprised on what's in here. So if it's the best one yet, I definitely want to see what is in here. So let's go ahead and dive in. And they are the 2019 award winner for the best subscription box for Confetti collection. Is the best box under $25. They won 2019 award for that. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what is inside. Now on this one, I did prepay for a whole year, which is bi-monthly, so it's 6 boxes. I think this might be my 4th box right now. I can't keep up, but I did prepay for an entire year. So that's what it looks like when you open it up. Their boxes are massive and it comes with tons of this stuff inside. Watch. So they put everything in this little package right here, but they have this, and these aren't just ordinary. They have like the iridescent ones in here too. This stuff I save. I use it for gift baskets. I use it to put in for you guys when I send out giveaway boxes. I always use this. So if you get Confetti collection, save this stuff, you guys. It's very valuable. You can use it for all different things. You can use it for gift baskets or anything. I never throw it away. That's just my suggestion. So let's go ahead and see what is in here. So they always have it wrapped up, and then they always have it in another package as well. Okay, so right on top is this right here, and this looks like this is recipe cards, which that's really cool because I'm sure a lot of us can use a recipe card. There's directions on the back, so you can write the full direction. And on the front, it says from the kitchen of, oven temperature, serves, prep, cook time, total time, ingredients. So you can write all of that on the front and do all of your instructions on how to cook it in the back, the directions. And this is from C.R. Gibson. They do a lot with C.R. Gibson, and I am loving everything that comes from them. Like, they have awesome stationery products. So again, there's the directions and there is the front of it. So there's item number 1. Next from C.R. Gibson as well. Is this like a little notebook? Oh, it's the little guys. So you have like all of these little mushrooms growing on the front, and then inside it's a book of all of these 4 little guys. And I use a lot of these at work, the smaller ones, and it's so hard to find a sticky notepad that just has these little guys. So I'm really glad to have another one because they're harder to come by more and more. But they're all these little tiny little sticky notes for little tiny tabs or whatever you need with them. And there is a little magnetic closure. So that's really cute. And it's C.R. Gibson. So there's the second item right there. Next we have is C.R. Gibson. This says, hello, gorgeous compact mirror. Let's see what this is. It's a pretty box. Ooh, look at that. And I always say, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours. So this is really cool, and it's a double mirror. So it's very, very brassy goldish color, and it says, hello, gorgeous. It looks kind of like an old school stopwatch. What is that called? Time stopwatch? I don't know. But that is really cute. So we have the Hello Gorgeous mirror, and they always give us some type of like wrapping, and I save all these, and anytime I have a gift that I need to wrap, I go to my little area and I pull out what I need. Sometimes they'll actually give you gift bags, that kind of thing. So this month we got white curling ribbon and white white ribbon and white and white already done up ribbon to put on a gift bag or a present or anything. So they always give you something like that you can use. So that's really cool. Next we have is an address book. Let's get this opened. And it has A through Z, and that's what it looks like. So you can keep track of all of your addresses. This is actually probably good to have in this day and age, because let me tell you guys, if I were to lose my cell phone, there's no way I would know even a quarter of the phone numbers that are in my phone. It's not like it was back in the day where you had to remember everybody's phone numbers. Now it's like, if I don't have my phone, I don't know what to do. So this is like really good to go through your phone list and put everything in here, because if your phone gets stolen, lost, damaged, whatever, and you don't have access to it anymore and you don't have it backed up, it's always good to have a backup in paper form that can't go anywhere. So that's really good, so you can jot everything down so you know what they are, and in case, at least in case of an emergency, it's always good to at least have one. Next we have here from C.R. Gibson. Is this from C.R. Gibson too? No, this is from X&O Paper Goods. This is from C.R. Gibson. What is this? C.R. Gibson. Ooh, it looks like it's a leather. Is it a bookmark? Let's see. Let me take this little sticky off with the tassel. Tassel bookmark. Yep, from C.R. Gibson. So it's like this limeish green color, and it's leather. It feels like it's a leather bookmark, and then here is a little tassel at the end. So that is really neat. That is really neat. I've never seen a bookmark like that before, and it should last you forever being leather. So then now we have this item. This is from X&O Paper Goods as well. And this is an all green, there's like a little bug. I guess that's good for the holiday. Is it? No, it's not bugs inside. I was gonna say maybe Halloween with the little bug, but it's because there's flowers and everything in there. And this is a list. It says list, you write what you want and then you peel it off. You peel it off. So that is really neat, and it comes off very easy with the perforation already on there. So, and that's really cool that it's in this little like leather type thing, and that's from the X&O Paper Goods. So there's that. And there's one more item in here, you guys. And this actually, is this from X? Yep, because this, what does that remind you of? What did we just see? That's the inside of this. It's the same pattern. Is that what's inside the... No, this doesn't have flowers inside, right? No, that's just all gray lines. I was gonna say, is everything match? No. 2 out of the 3 do though. So this guy here, it says notebook, and this is a notebook. And it has the where you can put the date on the top, and you can keep, it's like you can use it as a journal, you can use it as just to-do list, you can use it as anything you want, and it's very pretty with all of the colors, and it's a notebook, and it has a gold on the edges, and there you are. So that is everything that came in this bi-monthly box. So this box has, again, this notebook. You have a matching list book. You have an address book, all from the same company. Now, C.R. Gibson, we have this little thing with the 4 little sticky notes. We have this leather tassel bookmark. You have a Hello Gorgeous compact mirror, recipe cards, and gift ribbon. So that is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know what you thought of it. Did you think this was a good box? My favorite is going to be the one that had all of the butterfly sticky notes, the butterfly note cards. That one is still by far my favorite because I love butterflies and I just really liked that box. This one is still really good. I love everything that's in here. It's just this one is my second. I'll say this might be my second favorite because I really love the one with butterflies. So if you do not know about Confetti collection, I will go ahead and let you guys know. I will have them all linked down below as well, but you can subscribe and treat yourself to an award-winning box of coordinated giftable stationery and other fun novelties every other month. Each box is only $19.99 and it has a $50 value. You save 60%. Now, shipping and handling will be a charge at a flat rate of $5 per box. So that would be $24.99 for this entire box bi-monthly, and that comes with free shipping. And you guys see how big that box is, and you can reuse the padding and the little papers that are inside there as well. Plus you get all of the wonderful stationery goodies to go with it. It's shipped every 2 months, happiness delivered. You can cancel at any time. You can do upfront for 1 year like I did, which is the 6 boxes, and it's $105. One payment for all 6 boxes. Set it and forget it. So that is everything about this box. Again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this month. Let me know what you thought about this month. Yeah, I think we got a really good combination. I like how everything kind of matches with the little theme and the mirror, and then this, like everything, like the color coordination, everything matches. So I really do like that. So let me know down below what you guys thought about it. Do you get this box? Do you want to get this box? Have you heard of this box? Are you on the fence with this box? Let me know all the details down below. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and then you'll see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, what's this? Until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.